What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best mirrorless cameras in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll kick things off with the Fujifilm X-S10, the best value mirrorless camera available on the market in 2022. This model delivers top-notch ergonomics and integrates sensor stabilization, burst speeds of up to 20 FPS, and autofocus. In addition, the video department delivers 4K quality up to 30 FPS. The manufacturer's standout features remain the same, such as the well-known film simulation filters. Fujifilm X-S10 is a pleasant surprise with its excellent grip. It is compact and light, but the grip remains pleasant thanks to the well-marked handle. We're looking at a large and comfortable viewfinder, a slight variation of the previous models. The device has 2.36 million points and a magnification of 0.62 times. We find better on many hybrids, but it remains on par with what's offered in this range. On the other hand, a multi-point touchscreen on the ball joint is a welcome addition. We also appreciate charging and powering via USB-C while recording. A small icon at the bottom of the screen indicates the selection made by the device. With enough lighting, the classic X-S10 focus is excellent. If the autofocus slows down in low light, it remains completely stable. With an electronic shutter, Fujifilm announces 20 FPS without clipping, a speed that users have managed to achieve without any problems. Face and eye detection with XC10 is generally quite good. No surprises on the image quality side either. We're in the familiar territory here, and Fujifilm is reusing its X Processor 4 in combination with the 26.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS X-Trans4 sensor. Image quality is maintained up to 1600 ISO, and as far as video is concerned, the performance is enhanced by the presence of integrated mechanical stabilization. All in all, stabilization, which is starting to become more and more popular in Fujifilm, is the main advantage, as well as its reduced size and good finishing. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. If you're a newbie, look no further than the Olympus OM-DE M10 Mark IV, the best beginner mirrorless camera available on the market in 2022. Despite the complex name, we're looking at a simple and compact beginner mirrorless camera. Of course, the device lacks some of the more advanced features promoted by its more expensive rivals, such as phase detection autofocus, 4K at 60p video, and microphone and headphone inputs. But it does a brilliant job as a camera that can record quality video when needed. Access to camera buttons and a combination of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi functionalities means the device is primarily designed to attract smartphone photographers to use a camera with interchangeable lenses. And as a micro four thirds camera, it has one of the widest lens choices. One big thing that this camera has in its favor is the superior image stabilization. This system is the same one used in Olympus's award-winning flagship EM1 series, and works as a treat for capturing images at slower shutter speeds. The 20 megapixel resolution will not attract headlines, but it is a significant and welcome step compared to its predecessor's 16 megapixel sensor and keeps it within reach of the competition. The first thing that strikes you about the EM10 is its small size. It's small enough to fit in your pocket. The 3.0-inch LCD touchscreen is the most ambitious in this series so far. This time, the screen tilts 90 degrees up for hip-level shooting, and also tilts 180 degrees down in the other direction. The EM10 Mark IV is powered by a TruePic 8 image processor, which works to reduce noise in low-light images and has an original ISO sensitivity range of 200 to 6400. Also, there's an updated 121-point autofocus system, which can better detect and track faces and eyes. The ability to take better photos in low light has also been improved with built-in 5-axis image stabilization. We are really impressed with the basic lens of this camera. Its 14 to 42 millimeter lens option is a fantastic starting point for someone who upgrades from a phone. It offers a diverse focal range that covers everything from landscapes to portraits. Lastly, the camera battery is rated for approximately 360 shots and less than 30 minutes of video. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. For all adventure lovers, we single out the Nikon Z5, the best mirrorless camera for enthusiasts on the market in 2022. For a mirrorless camera, this Nikon model is easy to use, has a great viewfinder, improved autofocus functions, and feels aimed at the right audience. The body is mostly made of magnesium alloy and is sealed from dust and elements. It includes a large electronic OLED viewfinder with excellent resolution. The rear LCD screen can be controlled by touch and is mounted on a tilt stand. There are also 2 card slots, both of which are SD. Not only does Nikon offer 273 autofocus areas, which cover 90% of the frame, making edge-to-edge focusing easy, but you can also adjust autofocus to a wide area, single area, or point. Like many of its competitors, the Z5 also offers face and eye detection. It is very easy to photograph your subjects, friends, family, and pets. However, even without the ability to display tens of images per second, image stabilization in the case of Z5 is a clear advantage. It further assures that handheld shots will be sharper even at fairly low shutter speeds. Like other Z-series cameras, you should be able to capture 300 to 400 shots before the cell's used up. Even then, thanks to USB charging, you can recharge it on the go with external packaging if you wish. Since the Z5 is below the Z6, you would probably expect lower image quality. That, however, is not true. The Z5 really stands out with its image quality. And quality is not just about pixel estimation, because the small depth of field capabilities offered by the full-frame sensor open up a whole world of possibilities. The extra size of the sensor only enhances that mild, blurred look of the background. It is equally impressive how the ISO sensitivity is maintained. The lowest ISO 100 offers flawless shots with a good dynamic range that lasts up to ISO 800. Higher ISO sensitivities still maintain a fantastic amount of detail. When it comes to video, the Z5 isn't as good as some of its competitors, but it still does a pretty good job for most enthusiasts. Thumbs up! If you're a professional in this business, we say look no further than the Canon EOS R5, the best professional mirrorless camera on the market in 2022. This model offers an excellent focus system, 8K video quality, body stabilizer, and a 45 megapixel sensor. In the previous Canon EOS R, we had a 30 megapixel sensor, from which we jumped to 45 megapixels in this latest version. That's quite a jump, an important leap not only in sheer numbers, but also in image quality. If there's one thing that didn't convince us in the previous generation, it was the dynamic range. The Canon EOS has gone from 10.5 steps to almost 12 steps in the Canon EOS R5, allowing you to recover a lot of information, especially in the shadow area. The R5 is capable of achieving up to 6 steps of stabilization, even up to 8 steps if we use a lens that has an IS. Despite being a mirrorless camera, the Canon EOS R5 has a generous size and moderate weight. The body is very similar to the famous 5D Mark IV, but with better build and stronger camera feel. Next, the Canon EOS R5 comes with complete weather protection. It is made of magnesium alloy, a chassis that allows the camera to be very resistant, but at the same time light. It sports a large number of sealing points so that water, moisture, or dust does not enter. The R5 OLED panel delivers exceptional sharpness. You can see the details of the skin or texture of objects, which was not possible before. All in all, the screen we find in the Canon EOS R5 is basically the same as the previous model. It has a size of 3.15 inches and a resolution of more than 2 million points. In that sense, there is no downside to image size or quality, and it looks great in all situations, both indoors and in the sun. The color has been improved compared to previous models, offering better contrast and color saturation, almost reaching what we find in the OLED viewfinder. Obviously, the Canon EOS R5 is intended for the professional world in many aspects. It's a camera that defends itself perfectly in any photographic field, despite having a 45 megapixel sensor. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Finally, we present the Fujifilm X-T4, which deservedly won the title of the best overall mirrorless camera in 2022. We're looking at a mirrorless camera with a split vibe. The exterior is retro and analog, but the interior is full of the most advanced features. It is a convincing combination for sure. Like the X-T3, the Fujifilm X-T4 is for amateur and professional photographers who want superior mirrorless power. The main news is the inclusion of body image stabilization, which makes it the second Fujifilm camera to have this feature. Other new features of the Fujifilm X-T4 include a larger battery, improved autofocus, and a new film simulation effect. The Fujifilm X-T4 is a great camera that delivers a wonderful charm and tremendous power under the hood. The magnesium alloy design remains weather-resistant. The Fujifilm X-T4 has analog-style dials on the top. Dedicated wheels are for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation. Together with the aperture ring found on many Fujifilm lenses, this puts all the key exposure controls at your fingertips. Not only are these dials no slower than modern generic checkpoints, but they're also more methodical and certainly more charming. The slightly larger handle contains a larger battery that boasts almost twice the battery life of its predecessor, up to 1,600 shots in economy mode. This is a significant improvement, plus you have the option to charge it on the go via USB-C port. The Fujifilm X-T4 features a 26.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, which is a class leading in terms of detail and low light performance. Also, the Fujifilm X-T4 records 4K video at up to 60 FPS. A burst of 15 frames per second also makes it a good action camera. In short, the X-T4 is the most complete APS-C hybrid camera in the world. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.